Hi, this is Shobi, and today I'll be doing a review on this limited edition Seiko Gundam 40th Anniversary Prospex 1000 meter Marinemaster Professional Zaku 2 SLA 029 J1 or SBDX 027 if you are in Japan. If you want more details about this watch, there is a link to it in the description below, and it points to a full written review that I've written on my blog, so do visit it. This model is actually based on the famous Emperor Tuna, but with certain graphics on it to give a tie-in with the anime, the Gundam anime. My only disappointment about this watch is the packaging itself. Now, if you want to be a limited edition timepiece that is synonymous with the Gundam, why can't Seiko provide a more extensive packaging? At the moment, it's just a simple square box that it fits just the watch. You can't even fit in the manual as well as the guarantee document. And this is a disappointment. I have expected to see a small little figurine of a Gundam or something to have an additional tie-in. That's what makes a damn good tie-in. Unfortunately, Seiko didn't do it. As I said earlier, the base model is based on the Emperor Tuna, and you expect all the finities of the model itself, titanium casing, ceramic shroud, silicon straps, and so on and so forth, except that you have certain notation and graphics on the watch itself that is unique to the Gundam universe. The only thing that Seiko provided addition to this watch and the watch box itself was two tumblers. Two tumblers, which I think doesn't at all give any form of tie-in with the Gundam anime at all. What has tumblers got to do with a fighting robot? Right? Nothing. So this is where I believe that Seiko's designers, whoever who was part of this project, totally disregard what is expected of them when to provide such a tie-in with the anime. As I said, I would expect a small little figurine or a medallion which has the logo of the antagonist in this particular cartoon. But no, Seiko decided that a tumbler is sufficient. And why two tumblers? And then this is the question: why not just one? So again, this is a question which I feel that this particular series itself it has totally cocked up. But anyway, I like the watch. This watch is something which I feel really looks really extensive on the wrist. It has that presence. The color green really pops out, and if you look at the illumination in the dark, spectacular. Even the bezel is illuminated. If you like what you've seen, please follow the channel, give a thumbs up, because there's more reviews coming up. I've got tons and tons of stuff that I would like to share with all of you. Anyway, here is the tumbler that I was talking about. I mean, nothing at all to do with the robot. Quite pathetic, isn't it? Anyway, have a good day. As I said, till the next time. Goodbye. Oh, PS, I think I was bitching so much about the pathetic packaging for this particular thing that my authorized dealer felt so sad, or that he decided to throw in a Mido leather wallet just to placate me. So I got a free wallet as well.